Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our tissue topic. In the previous video already we have seen what is the plant tissue. There are subtypes of the plant tissue. Already we have seen in my previous video. From today we are going to learn the new topic, animal tissue. Let us move towards the animal tissue. See student, the animal tissue means the animal bodies are made up of the different kind of tissue. These types are divided by the based upon the structure and function of the types. Got it? Means the animal tissue are divided into the 4 subtypes as per their function and structure. Got it? See, there are 4 types of the animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Let us see first what is the function of this tissue. Epithelial tissue, it is the very important function to protection, absorption, secretion, and sensory. See student, one by one we have seen in details all the 4 types of the tissue. Epithelial tissue, the tissue, it is present in the outer surface of the body as well as cavity of the internal organs. So the main function, outer surface is present, so the protection, absorption, secretion, and sensory. The next is the connective tissue. The main function to connect the organs, to connect the cells. Got it? It is also supportive function. It is also binding the organ. Connection means what? Connect the organs. Transport the substance and immunity. Understood? And muscular tissue means our muscle is made from the muscular tissue. And what is the main function of our muscle? Movement and locomotion. Got it, student? And the 4th type of the animal tissue is a nervous tissue. You know nervous system. With the help of nervous system, we can coordinations of all body part. Means our body is functioning to coordinate the organs to each other. Understood? Animal tissue means the animal tissue is divided into the 4 types on the basis of their structure and function. Each types also have a subtype. Let us see the tree diagram of animal tissue. See student, in the previous video we have seen the plant tissue. There are also 2 types. There are also some subtypes of the plant tissue. Same like that, animal tissue is divided into the 4 types. And these 4 types also again divided into the subtype. Let us see the overview of animal tissue. Then one by one we will study details about the animal tissue. Got it? Epithelial tissue, it is divided into the 5 subtype of the epithelial tissue. These 5 subtypes is divided on the basis of the shapes. Squamous epithelial tissue, stratified squamous epithelial tissue. It is also columnar epithelial, ciliated columnar epithelial, and cuboidal epithelial, glandular epithelial. But we have in our syllabus in the 7th standard squamous epithelial, columnar epithelial, ciliated columnar epithelial, and cuboidal epithelial tissue. Got it? Muscular tissue is also have 3 types: striated, non-striated, and cardiac muscle. Got it? The connective tissue, we have seen what is the function of muscular tissue, what is the function of epithelial tissue. Connective tissue, it is also 3 subtype: connective tissue proper, supportive tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Again the connective tissue proper is divided into the 3 types: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and fibrous connective tissue. Supportive tissue is also divided into 2 types: cartilage tissue, bone tissue, and fluid tissue is divided into 2 types: blood and fluid. And nervous tissue, all the types of subtypes of the tissue we have to detail study in our syllabus. Got it, student? Now, first upon we will start the epithelial tissue. Then one by one we will see each and every subtypes of the tissue in details. Let us see, student, what is the epithelial tissue. See, first upon I explain about that. What is the main function of epithelial tissue? Protection, absorption and secretion. Got it? Epithelial tissue, the continuous sheet of the skin, continuous sheet of the cells, means the tissue is covered the external surface of the body, like our skin. Skin is made from the epithelial tissue. It is covered the external surface of the body. Understood? Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is tightly joined, closely packed to each other. Means in the cell of epithelial tissue have no intercellular space. These cells are tightly packed to each other. Means like that. There is no intercellular space. No intercellular space are present in between the tissue, in between the cell. They are closely packed to each other. Understood? One side of the epithelial expose the ear, means outer side or internal fluid, and other attached to the basement membrane. See, this is the basement membrane. The epithelial tissue are located on the basement membrane like that of floor. There is no intercellular space are present, and the nucleus are present in it. The nucleus are present in it, and the cytoplasm is also present in the epithelial tissue. It is the sheet-like tissue which is present on the outer surface of our body. It covers the outer side of the body and lining of the internal cavity. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, livers, there are hollow space, and these tissue are present in the inner lining of the internal organs or cavity. Understood? The main function of epithelial tissue, I explain about that. It is the protection. It protect the mechanical injury. It is also prevent some microorganisms which enter in our body. It is the barrier like that atmosphere to the internal organ. Understood? Skin, due to the skin, our internal organs are protected. The microorganisms cannot enter in our body. Understood? Epithelial tissue, it is the barrier for the injury and microorganism. It is also provide the surface of absorption, excretion, secretion. Means see, this tissue is present in the internal organs. Some glands they secrete their secretion. Absorption, in the small intestine, absorb the nutrient, means the small intestine. In the higher classes you have studied about that, the cilia, they absorb the nutrient. There present the epithelial tissue. Understood? What is mean by epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue, it is the continuous sheet of the cell. Means first upon you understood, you keep it in your mind, what is the location of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue कहाँ present होते हैं बेटा? Epithelial tissue is present in our skin. Epithelial tissue is present in the surface of internal organ, stomach, small intestine, some glands, their internal cavity. There is present the epithelial tissue. Understood? What is the location and what is the main function? To protection. Our skin is protect from atmosphere. It is also protect the injury. It is also protect some microorganisms. The skin cannot enter the microorganism inside of our body. Second, absorption. Absorb some means it is also present in internal organs. Some absorb some secretion. Some it is secrete, means the salivary gland. Some glands are present the epithelial tissue. They secrete their secretion. Salivary gland secrete the saliva. Sweat gland secrete the sweat. Understood? What is the main function? Location of the epithelial tissue. And the epithelial tissue, on the basis of the shapes, the epithelial tissue is divided into the 4 types. Means on the basis of shape. On the basis of shape, the epithelial tissue is divided into the four types. The cube-like structure of the epithelial tissue is called as the cuboidal epithelial tissue. See, cuboidal epithelial tissue. The sheet of the floor means this is the basement. All the epithelial tissue is laying on the basement. This is the basement membrane. The blue color is a basement membrane, and the epithelial tissue are lie on the basement. This is the floor, flat floor like tissue is called as the squamous epithelial tissue. Some column like structure. The column like tissue is called as the columnar epithelial tissue, and it is the stratified, and it is also called as the means the column there is present the cilia. This is called as the ciliated columnar epithelial tissue, and this tissue is present in our trachea. Okay, means in respiratory system. Understood, student? What is mean by epithelial tissue? Main location of the epithelial tissue. Let us revise again epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, it is located on the surface of the skin, surface of the internal organ, in cavity. Got it? Main function of epithelial tissue is protection, absorption and secretion. And keep it in your mind, there are four types of the epithelial tissue. On the basis of the shapes, the epithelial tissue is divided into the four types: columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, squamous epithelium and ciliated columnar epithelium. These each type of the epithelial tissue we will details in our next video. Understood, student? What is mean by epithelial tissue? In the next video we will going to study about that the types of the epithelial tissue. Thank you, student.